Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase population on Township. To increase the population of your town in Township, first of all, open up your Township application and log into your account. After you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top of the screen to find out your current population. After you see that, you can now go to the bottom right corner and tap on construction hat icon, and this will take you to store. Now, in order to increase the population, go ahead and select housing or community buildings in order to increase the population. Now click on housing options such as farmhouse, bungalow, etc., and you will be able to increase the population of your town. Once you select the houses, simply go ahead and find the location where you want to place such houses on within your game, and after you find the correct location, go ahead and place it and tap on the tick mark and wait for a certain time in order to complete the construction. You can also use the Township cash to speed up the construction. If you don't have enough Township cash, then you will need to wait for the certain time that has been shown in order to complete the construction. A happy town attracts more residents, so improve happiness by adding decorations, building community structures, and keeping factories working on your town so residents have a job. So that's how you easily increase your town's population on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Township tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.